Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Dodge Charger R/T. First, always adjust your seat and mirrors to ensure clear visibility and a comfortable driving position. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout, including the speedometer, tachometer, and other essential gauges. Before you even think about starting the engine, confirm that all occupants are properly buckled in. Finally, do a quick check around the vehicle for any potential obstacles. To start your Charger R/T, place your foot firmly on the brake pedal and either insert the key and turn it, or press the engine start/stop button. Once the engine is running, select your desired gear. Drive for moving forward or reverse for backing up. Remember to fully release the electronic parking brake, typically a small button or lever, before you attempt to move. Then, gently press the accelerator to begin your journey smoothly. When driving your Charger R/T, always maintain a safe following distance, typically 3 to 4 seconds behind the car in front. Use smooth and deliberate steering inputs, especially at higher speeds, to keep the vehicle stable and on track. The R/T's 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine offers significant power, so accelerate gradually and enjoy its performance responsibly. When slowing down, apply the brakes progressively, anticipating stops and turns for a comfortable ride. When you're ready to park your Charger R/T, always signal your intentions well in advance. Utilize your side mirrors and the rearview camera, if equipped, to safely guide the vehicle into your chosen parking space. Once parked, shift the transmission into park and engage the parking brake to secure the vehicle. Finally, turn off the engine, remove the key if applicable, and ensure all lights are off before exiting your powerful machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.